Another area which is really key to our sales strategy is personal care, beauty and personal care. And again, the Domino offers a perfect solution. You've got really strong colours from personal care products in clear bottles. So you need a print technology that has the opacity, but also the colour strength to stand out against some pretty strong colours. And again, what the Domino provides is perfect for that market.
Personal care and health and beauty markets, it's a really, really good fit for that, and that's a market that we've been looking to get into for a long while. And I think the Domino's a really, really useful tool for that. The customers are looking for very vibrant labels, nice opaque whites that previously had only been achievable through screen print. And I think some customers were slightly hesitant that they didn't think they'd be able to get that, but again, once they'd seen the samples, seen what the Domino could do, they were really, really impressed.